Hey guys. Welcome back to my channel HZR Services. Today, in this video, we discuss about 18 best freelance websites to find work in 2021. Now we start the video. If you are a freelancer searching for work, you probably recognize how difficult the challenge can be. However, there are freelance websites devoted to supporting gurus like yourself locate work. In this video, we will be listing the excellent freelance websites on the internet. What are freelance websites? 18 best freelance websites to find work. 1 Fiverr, 2 Upwork, 3 Toptal, 4 Simply Hired, 5 PeoplePerHour, 6 Aquent, 7 Crowded, 8 The Creative Group, 9 99 Designs, 10 Nexxt, 11 Writer Access, 12 TaskRabbit, 13 Skyword, 14 Designhill, 15 Freelancer, 16 Guru, 17 Hireable, 18 FlexJobs. What are freelance websites? Freelance websites are platforms, the place each human searching for work and employers publish their offers. Being a freelancer is an excellent way to flip your genius or interest into money. You have the freedom to follow solely the tasks that you like or you're appropriate at. Needless to say, the usage of these websites will assist you in setting a stable beginning for your freelance career. They'll help you in discovering first purchasers without problems and incomes employers believe alongside the way. Also, you continuously sharpen your ability by taking unique initiatives from several employers. In the end, your portfolio shall develop, and there will be many more excellent job offers. 18 best freelance websites to find work. Here are 18 freelancing websites for you to pick from. 1 Fiverr. Freelancers can exhibit completed initiatives to the public, so viable consumers can without difficulty pick out anyone whose introduction sparks their interest. It's a choice that gets rid of the want to contact people one with one's aid. What is more, Fiverr presents you with free mastering guides to strengthen your competencies and train you to pitch to clients. 2 Upwork. Upwork presents equipment to kickstart your freelance trip, collaborative space, built-in bill maker, and obvious recruitment process. You may additionally be in a position to work for many well-known customers such as Microsoft, Airbnb, Dropbox, etc. Anyone who is searching for flexibility in their jobs ought to sincerely test this freelance website. 3 Toptal. Toptal is a freelance internet site that guarantees businesses they can appoint 3% of world freelancers. Indeed, you can be one of them if you work tough adequate in constructing your skills. 4 Simply Hired. One of the first-class matters about Simply Hired is that you can browse freelance jobs in your nearby location. Additionally, there is a listing of pinnacle salaries and a device to estimate your fee. This is beneficial to benchmark for a particular work you favor to do. You'll additionally be capable of creating a resume from the website and researching many matters from their blog. 5 PeoplePerHour. This freelance internet site has over 1.5 million freelancers that use their service. Every employee will have a rating, which is a brilliant promotion. PeoplePerHour is free for freelancers, however, the opposition can be very challenging. You need to continually enhance and set a lifelike rate so you'll be greater likely to get hired. 6 Aquent. Aquent has received many awards as a freelancing firm. The freelance internet site is well established and acknowledged to supply extraordinary people for creative, digital, and advertising purposes. While Aquent states that they primarily take delivery of anybody who has 2+ years of working experience, clean graduates are welcome to discover their accessible jobs. And if you doubt how tons your talent is worth, there is revenue information to help you set your price. 7 Crowded. Crowded boasts its AI-powered recruitment system that will discover the most appropriate candidates for companies. This freelance internet site will rank absolutely everyone based totally on their price, experience, and skills. The function is additionally terrific for people so that they don't have to manually follow every job opening. Just let the algorithm do the work and then wait for the name from the employer. 8. The Creative Group. The freelance internet site makes it handy for freelancers out there to discover a job they want. As it's called, TCG permits you to add a resume or a LinkedIn profile to begin searching for a job. Once there is a probability that fits your interest, you can attempt to practice for the job. 999 Designs. This freelance internet site goes to focal point on clothier jobs the entirety from emblems to ebook covers. It additionally lets customers begin a contest that all and sundry in 99 designs can take part in. At zero cost, you'll get a platform to show off your work and enhance your innovative know-how with its up-to-date articles. 10. Nexxt. Nexxt categorizes the job search under 4 criteria: profession focus, nearby focus, variety focus, and international focus. The 0.331 is really useful to accommodate more excellent inclusive work surroundings for everyone. With these categories, this freelance internet site also permits you to attempt several freelance jobs that align with your professional path. 11. Writer Access. If you choose to come to be a freelance writer, Writer Access is an excellent platform. It covers all types of writing jobs, including online articles, case studies, tech papers, etc. This freelance internet site many equipment such as content material analytics, keyword optimization, and content material planner to get extra work executed efficiently. 12. TaskRabbit. Not all freelancing jobs are digital. TaskRabbit is a freelance internet site that focuses on residence work. Be it fixtures assembling, transferring, and packing, plumbing, or whatever else, you can discover it on TaskRabbit. 13. Skyword. Loads of content material advertising and marketing vacancies can be without difficulty determined here. You can register to work as a freelance content material strategist, editorial manager, and so on. Furthermore, it doesn't simply serve the US or English-only organizations. Because Skyword has been depended on with the aid of customers from 27 nations with 13 languages support. 14. Designhill. This freelance internet site provides an obvious rate upfront so customers can count on how a lot the completed graph can cost. It's an exceptionally beneficial characteristic as there is so much sketch work with exceptional prices. 15. Freelancer. This freelance internet site is the most excellent crowdsourcing market with 32 million registered users. To fit that number, there are lots of jobs that you can decide as a freelance worker. You can register right here for free and with thousands of vacancies posted each and every day. 16. Guru. After you signal up, you will be a phase of 3 million freelancers worldwide searching for several jobs, such as internet development, writing, architecture, and so on. 17. Hireable. Hireable offers you a chance to get a freelance job in backyard America or Europe with equal opportunity. It has a simple person interface and affords precisely what you assume from a freelance website. You get job alerts and recommendations and see your saved jobs as correctly as the positions you utilized. 18. FlexJobs. FlexJobs doesn't solely grant a platform for freelance work, however, it encourages everybody to attempt this professional path. Furthermore, the freelance internet site collects jobs from around the world. At $14.95 a month, you get full entry to its extensive community of employers, quite several talent tests, and a detailed description of each and every company. Conclusion. Being a freelancer potential that you have greater flexibility in deciding on your next job whilst having the freedom of when and the place to do it. To assist you to comprehend your new professional path, we have listed good freelance websites for you. Here is a short overview of some of the best. Upwork is the average fantastic freelance internet site that has the equipment to aid your professional development. You must test Designhill if you're a designer. Skyword is a world crowdsourcing platform that matches freelance content material and advertising and marketing workers. TaskRabbit opens up probability's backyard digital professions with its house-related freelance jobs. Writer access makes it convenient for all of us who loves writing to make cash out of it. Freelancer gives the biggest community of far-off jobs. Join Aquent if you're already a skilled employee because the platform is made especially for professionals. Nexxt affords a more excellent, various and inclusive platform for absolutely everyone with a unique history to begin searching for freelance jobs. With Fiverr, you can appear for a job whilst nonetheless be capable of enhancing your talent with its free online courses. Toptal offers you an excessive reward if you have grown your portfolio ample with the aid of supplying your provider as the pinnacle 3% of international talent. Thank you for all of you to watching my video. If you like the video, then like the video and post a comment.